Peace, family. Welcome back to another video with Credit Healing LLC. Today, I want to answer a question that was posed to us by one of our Credit Healing viewers, but it was posed under one of our other videos. And this video is in regards to duplicate accounts. We're going to read the question out loud to you, and then we're going to answer them accordingly. The question is, hello, great video. I've had a duplicate account showing on my credit report. One says settled less than full balance and closed, and the other says amount paid in full was charged off. Should I just send a duplicate account letter? This is a very good question. Now, to answer that question, we want to make sure that you know exactly what to do. If you don't want to do it yourself, you can definitely reach out to us and we can do it for you. Now, what you want to do is you want to have the best possible payment history and credit reports or credit accounts reported onto your credit file, because you want to make sure that your credit file is as strong as possible. So what you want to do is, sometimes you don't necessarily want to just send out a dispute letter to get certain accounts removed. In this regard, it's best to just call them. And when you call them, just ask to speak to management. Don't worry about the lower ranking representatives. Speak to management and say, hey, look, I've actually set up an account that was reporting onto my credit file, and it's being reported twice on my credit report, but one time it's reporting correctly and the other time it's not. And then explain to them that it says that it was charged off, but this should not be reported because this is not what you agreed to. The first account, and explain to them that says was settled less than full balance. This is what you want to report to your credit file because you're trying to be approved for a mortgage. And so let them know that, hey, look, I want for this account to be removed from my credit report because it's being showed twice, and according to the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, it's actually legal for any collection agency or creditor to report any account twice onto any consumer's credit file. So I want for this account to be removed because it should not belong on my credit file. And then what they're going to do is they say, oh, okay, well, yeah, you paid the account, and yeah, you are right. It's not supposed to be reported twice. So what we're going to do is that we're going to help you and have them report the first account, which says settled, paid less than full balance, to report on your credit file. And that's it. They're going to take care of it. They're going to report to the credit bureaus that particular account. The negative one is going to be removed, and then your problem is solved. All right, family. So we're definitely happy to answer those questions for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at credithealing@gmail.com, or you can pose them below and we'll answer them in a video. Or if you're ready to get started, go to www.credithealing.org and we'll help improve your credit. Peace.